Well, got another catering. Good old reliable Burrito Shack. Says we got 28 minutes to pickup time. Waiting for that 20-minute window so I can actually slide the little bar and go in and see how big this order is going to be. Says it will feed 26 people and it's like $377. But burritos, it don't take much room to put a lot of burritos in, so we will see. Alright, got that picked up. Now head on out, go drop this off, see how much time it's gonna take to get there with all this rain. Oh, let's see. Pickup was is at 10:42 and I'm sitting in the car getting ready to leave and it's 10:34. I think I can deal with that. So let's navigate. And it's supposed to be dropped off 11 to 11:15. Let's see. Says we're going to get there at 10:47 and it's supposed to be at 11. So the weather's not going to make much difference, if any at all, because I'll be there early. So let's get there.
No time to waste, I'm in a daze, driving down the road in this crazy maze. Tires keep rolling, can't slow down, making that cash while I cruise through town. Orders keep coming one by one, working all night till the morning sun, pushing so hard just to make ends meet, running these streets with my tired feet.
Alright, good little walk over there, so might as well use the good old wagon, since this bag is nothing but boxes. Means I can sit that in there and sit this on top of there. Yeah, that'll work. Won't go anywhere. We'll walk around this way. It might it might rain today.
Yeah. The spot.
Yeah, a lot of little spots. Oop, this is wide open enough.
I know you got all that. I don't know how to do any of that stuff. That cart does come in handy. Right in.
All right, got that one done. Nice rainy day. Whew. Don't know if it's wise to get out here this rain with the head cold that I got. Whew. I may regret this, but I don't know. But at least my head cold's been getting better for the last 2 or 3 days. But it's time to go get something to eat. Oh man. And get back home.
I'll get the dishes started and then I'm going to probably lay down.
Okay.